To fix, printer driver is unavailable in Windows 11. Click on Start. Open Settings. On the left, select Bluetooth and Devices, then select Printers and Scanners. Click on Printer. That's showing driver is unavailable error. Click on Remove. Confirm the removal when prompted. Now go back to Bluetooth and Devices. If your printer still appears here, click on 3 dots and choose Remove Device. Afterwards, restart your computer. After the restart, reconnect your printer. If it's a USB printer, plug the cable back in. If it's a Wi-Fi printer, make sure it's connected to the same network as your computer. Click on Start, Open Settings. Select Bluetooth and Devices, then Printers and Scanners. Click on Add Device and let Windows detect and install the printer again. Or you can select Add a new device manually. Select your option as per your requirement. This option is for printers that connect wirelessly through Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or your local network. This option is for manual setup. If Windows can't find your printer automatically, you'll enter details like the printer port or IP address yourself. Then click on Next. Choose your printer port and click on Next. On the Manufacturer section, you can select brand of your printer. And on the right side, you'll see available models. After selecting it, click on Next and add the other informations. Once the installation is complete, try printing a test page to see if the error is gone. Hopefully, this will fix your issue. If you still need help, leave a comment below or contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page.